On holiday, mom cat bring her kittens to sea. Her kittens very happy. This mom cat is on holiday with her kittens and she decided to bring them to the sea for the first time. But the kittens are getting a little bit scared of the water, so mom cat has to do something to calm them down. Number 10, a little too close for comfort. This mom cat is taking her kittens out for the day. And even though they're not too keen on being in the car, once they arrive at their destination, they're gonna have a blast. Number 9, all grown up. These two kittens look like they're having the time of their lives as they play in the water. They look like they're having so much fun. And it looks like they're all grown up now. Nope, 8, Seaside Sisters. These two cats are the best of friends. They're always together and they love going on holiday together. They look adorable playing in the water. Number 7, happy in the water. This tiny kitten is loving life as he splashes around in the water. He looks so cute and he seems to be enjoying himself. No, 6, all thanks to mom. This mom cat is a good swimmer. She's keeping an eye on her kittens as they play in the water. And when one of them gets a little too close to the edge, she quickly swoops in to save the day. No, 5, learning to swim. These kittens are learning how to swim from their mom. And even though they're not the best at it yet, they're getting there. With a little bit of practice, they'll be swimming like pros in no time. Number 4, making a splash. This playful kitten is making a big splash as he jumps into the water. He looks like he's having so much fun. No, 3, the perfect family photo. This family of cats looks adorable as they pose for a photo on the beach. The mom cat is proud of her kittens and they couldn't ask for a better family. No, 2, a day at the beach. These two cats are spending a day at the beach and they look like they're having the time of their lives. The water looks so refreshing and the sand looks so soft and fluffy. Number 1, just a little swim. This mom cat is taking her kittens for a little swim in the sea. And even though they're not the most confident swimmers, they're enjoying themselves. These cats look like they're having so much fun in the water. I wish I could join them. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time. This mom cat is on holiday with her kittens and she decided to bring them to the sea. For the first time, the kittens are absolutely loving it. They're playing in the water. They're swimming around. And there's one little kitten that just wants to keep going and going. This is the cutest thing I've seen all day. Now, some of you might be thinking, why is this mom cat bringing her kittens to the sea? Well, it's simple. This is where she lives. This is her home. She was probably just curious to see if her kittens would like it as well. And from the looks of it, they do. Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't it dangerous to bring your kittens to the sea? Well, not really. As long as you keep an eye on them, they'll be fine. I mean, these cats are probably more than capable of taking care of themselves. But still, it's always nice to keep an eye on your kids, right? Just like this mom cat is doing. She's keeping a close eye on her kittens as they play in the water. Oh, my goodness. One of the kittens got a little too close to the edge and almost fell in, but Mom was there to save the day. Now, I don't know about you, but I could watch these kittens play all day. They're so cute. I mean, look at this one. He's just splashing around in the water, having the time of his life. And the way he runs, oh my gosh, it's just too much. I think this mom cat did a great job of choosing a vacation spot. I mean, who wouldn't want to come to the sea? The water is so refreshing, especially on a hot day like today. And there's just something about the sound of the waves crashing that is so relaxing. Now, I don't know about you, but I could definitely use a vacation. This has been a crazy year, and I think it's time for a change of pace. Maybe a trip to the sea is just what I need. Oh, and I would bring my laptop so I could work remotely, of course. But still, it would be nice to get away from it all and just relax on a beach somewhere. But for now, I'm happy to just watch this mom cat and her kittens enjoy their holiday. They're living the best life, and I'm sure they're making lots of great memories. That will last a lifetime. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to support us. This mom cat is on holiday with her kittens and she brought them to the sea for the first time. But the kittens are getting a little bit scared when they hear the waves. So mom cat does something really cute. This is the cutest thing I've seen a cat do. So this mom cat decided to take her four kittens on a little holiday by the sea. The kittens are old enough now that they can go outside and explore the world. And mom cat is a very good swimmer, so she's not worried about taking them to the water. When they got there, though, the kittens were a little bit scared of the waves. So mom cat did something super cute. She started meowing really sweetly to calm them down. And then she started to sing to them. It was a very sweet song, and it seemed to calm the kittens down a little bit. Then one of the kittens started to purr, and mom cat kept singing until all four of them were purring. It was so sweet. After a while, mom cat got a little bit closer to the water. She still kept singing to her kittens, and they all got closer to her, snuggling up to each other. Then, after a few minutes, mom cat went into the water. She still had her eye on her kittens, though she was making sure they were okay. And the kittens were getting braver and braver as they played in the water. They were jumping and splashing and having a great time, and mom cat was just watching them, making sure they were okay. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen a cat do. Taking her kittens to the beach and then singing to them when they get scared is just the sweetest thing ever. And the fact that she kept a close eye on them while they were playing in the water just shows how much of a good mom she is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.